Let's now have Pia Bonalo. She's at the Precious Moments showroom in Makati. Hi, Pia.
Amelin, when I was growing up, I used to collect stationaries, and always a staple in my collection were precious moments. And now it has expanded from stationaries to figurines of full-blown cafe and restaurant. I am here with manager of Precious Moments, Mr. Jojo Sunilio, to tell us all about it. Good morning, sir.
Hi, good morning.
Can you tell us about Precious Moment figurines? Kasi po growing up, ang dami po, especially for us girls, mga nahihilig po sa mga Precious Moments. Can you tell us about the figurines po?
Actually, the figurine started 35 years ago with Mr. Butcher, the creator of Precious Moments. It used to be stationaries, greeting cards, posters. It's a Christian company, so they had Bible verses printed on the products. But to be exact, in the year 1978, they started introducing to the market the figurines. During the first year when it was launched, it was really phenomenal. They also started the Collectors Club that actually during the first year, they enlisted 640,000 members.
Okay, and then here po in your cafe, there's a whole collection of different kinds of figurines. Ano-ano pong klaseng figurines do we have here in the cafe?
We categorize the figurines into like love, inspirational figurines, family, we have weddings, because 37% of our collectors actually started with a cake topper. Yeah, that's a fact. And in the States, Precious Moments is widely recognized. Around 90% of Americans can recognize Precious Moments. And the statistics that we had is that 5 years ago, 48% of Americans had at one time received or bought a Precious Moments product.
And then here, what's very interesting is that you made also parang mga Filipino versions of Precious Moments with even President Noy and the Aquino family. Can you tell us about that po?
Yeah, because actually we started our Manila operations right after the inauguration of President Noy. Because we actually made the Noy Noy dolls, which actually, I think they use it as giveaways during the inauguration. And of course, many people would ask us, how about the Aquino sisters? How about President Cory Aquino? Actually, the first of the Aquino family dolls that was produced was when President Cory was president. And if you have that doll right now, there were only 100 dolls that were produced. And if you have that doll now, collectors in the States would be willing to pay as high as $3,500 for that doll. And then, of course, we had the President Cory Aquino figurine, which we introduced to the market during the first death anniversary of President Cory Aquino. And that doll, we are selling it here for $35, but someone in the States bought like a box of a figurine and started selling on eBay, and she actually sold several items at $350 a piece.
Wow, so it's a really good investment to buy these Precious Moment figurines. But can you tell me the transition from figurines that you opened this restaurant and cafe?
Yeah, last year we actually would like to cater to a wider market, segment of market, and we believe that we have to address the lifestyle of the now generation. So instead of just opening a gift shop, which will be selling the figurines, the dolls, and the paper products, we thought of like what are the things that probably would be embraced by the now generation of customers. So we thought of like cafe, and in the future we'll be doing museums, yeah, museum shops and things like that.
Ano po yung mga ina-offer na food sa menu natin? First for the restaurant.
Actually, when we started the restaurant, we originally started introducing Chinese because we already have a chef from our resort in Aklan that we brought over to Manila because he really would like to be with his family na. So we started it out with Chinese, but then, we thought of like parang hindi ata tugma. No, yung Precious Moments is more like Western. Yeah. So what we started doing is that we've been asking the help of some hotels, like asking the services of their chef to train our own kitchen crew and our chef to do like pasta, European dishes. And of course, 2 years ago, we started this Sam Brew Cafe. Yeah.
And then here in front of us is the spread. We have the cupcakes and the coffee and mga fraps. Can you tell us po about the cafe naman?
Yeah, our coffee actually, I think, because our company really, we would like to strive on being unique, current, and inspirational in the way we operate the company, and also in the kind of products that we offer, and the kind of services and experience that we provide to our customers. So we thought of maybe not just coming up with a normal coffee, even the presentation would probably matter because competition nowadays is so stiff already. So we thought of like even our Frappuccino, we call it just coffee specials because we don't want to be liable to like the legal infringement with Starbucks with their Frappuccino. So our specials, we presented it in a Borgo Novo tall glasses, and it's probably more than the venti of the Starbucks coffee, but tastes probably at par or even better. Yeah. So, and then, of course, we diversified to cupcakes because last year, some of our collectors actually started giving out to their family and friends cupcakes. And they gave us a feedback that years ago, when they would give their families and friends cooked foods or food, they would just say thank you. But last year, they keep on asking, where did you buy this? So what happened is that I stayed for the whole month of January and part of February in the States. And during my spare time, I conceived the idea of maybe doing the re-interior of our coffee shop and maybe pushing the cupcakes. So we have actually 6 types of cupcakes to start with, but I know it will be growing. Just like our restaurant would always be work in progress.
I'm sure a lot of people would want to check out your cafe, restaurant, and of course the figurine collection. Can you please invite everyone to go here to your cafe?
Okay, televiewers of Solar TV, will you please come and have a Precious Moments experience here at our coffee shop and of course our showroom. We have, it's coming here actually, it's like shopping, dining, and meeting friends and families all in one. And we are open every day from 9 in the morning until 9 at night.
Okay, thank you very much, sir.
So much also.
Thank you. To those of you who are very curious to see what Precious Moments could bring to your lives, please do check out Precious Moments here in Manila. Jing, Emeline?
Thanks, Pia.